Lord Narsimha, half lion and half human. Remember, he's neither human nor is he animal. He took him through the door, so he's not inside nor outside. It's time of twilight, so neither day nor night. And he used his claws, so it's not a weapon, and he ripped him apart. And his name was Hiranyakashipu. And he was drenched in his glory because he had a very special bone that no man or animal could kill him. Nobody inside or outside could ever kill him. No weapon could actually kill him. He could not be killed at night or in the daytime. So he became so drenched in his glory that he declared that I am the God. And no one will be worshipped other than me. That his own youngest son, Prahlad, was worshipping someone else. He was worshipping Lord Vishnu. He was enraged and he decided that he needs to do something about this. So he decided to kill his own son. He sent him to the caves where there were hundreds of snakes. He threw him in front of elephant who was mad and crazy. So at the end, Hiranyakashipu thought, I need to do something very quickly. I need to kill my son. So he called forth his sister. And the name of the sister is Holika. And Holika had a very special bone that she will not be burnt with the fire. She had a special shawl, a kind of sarong, that if she had it around her, she would not be burnt. And they set up a very big fire. And she went inside with Prahlad on her laps. And as she entered, some magic happened. Because she was using her power for destruction of somebody. So what happened was the sarong, it flew and it covered the little child Prahlad. Holika burnt away in this fire. And after the fire became ashes, everybody heard a song. Narayan, Narayan, Narayan. Prahlad, the little boy, just of age 4 or 5, walked out from the flames. Untouched, unharmed. Now that made Hiranyakashipu even more angry. And he said, where is your God? Where is he? You keep saying Narayan, I don't see him. Where is he? And he hit a pillar with all his power. And from that pillar, suddenly, an avatar of Vishnu emerged. And that was